Hello, my name is Navita Mishra.
I'm Yashika Garg.
And I'm Sarayu, Karedla.
And we are the creators of
NeuroPath.
Neurodegenerative diseases have had a strong impact on me and my family. Recently, my grandfather sadly passed away due to Parkinson's disease. His gradual decline in mobility and independence opened my eyes to the true impact of these conditions.
Parkinson's alone affects over 10 million people worldwide, and more than 50 million people suffer from neurodegenerative diseases.
Yet many of these cases go undiagnosed until it's too late for effective treatment. Early detection is essential to slow progression and improve the quality of life, which is why we created NeuroPath. Well, what is NeuroPath? It's an AI-powered platform which has three main features:
Early detection,
personalized insights,
and cognitive training.
How our detection model works. We use a condition called micrographia. It is where handwriting becomes abnormally small, cramped, and hard to read, as you can see in the top left corner.
This is caused by the loss of dopamine-producing neurons in the brain. Without enough of them, the brain struggles to send proper signals to the hand muscles.
In the bottom left corner, you can see two pictures of the substantias in the brain. There's a clear difference between the one with Parkinson's and the one that is completely healthy.
So now let's see how NeuroPath works. The first step is for the user to log in, which they can do through their Gmail account. As you scroll down, you see the main features of our app.
When you click on this button, our website brings you to our AI detection model. On the left-hand side, we have samples of the pictures that you can upload. They can either be a spiral or a text. Then after you selected your image, press enter. NeuroPath will output a prediction of whether or not you're at risk for Parkinson's, along with a score of how confident the model is in its prediction.
After you utilize the AI detection model, you can navigate to the diagnosis page. Here, you'll be able to view your past handwriting tests and track your progress.
Next, we have two memory games which will help patients improve their cognitive abilities. The first one revolves around sequence memory, where the users must try and remember the sequence for as long as possible. And the second one tests users' ability to remember whether or not the shapes and colors in the sequence are repeated or different.
Lastly, we have a page dedicated to educating people more about these diseases and how our app can help, which includes key signs and early symptoms.
We trained our handwriting detection model on the platform RoboFlow. After compiling data from different resources, we collected and sorted over 3,157 samples into RoboFlow. Then RoboFlow split the data into training, testing, and valid.
The testing data was used after it was fully trained to evaluate the model's accuracy rate, which is a 91%. After our model was completely done, we caught it in our code using its API key so that it could be used in our app, NeuroPath.
For our app, we use Replit, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML to code it, as you can see.
We coded the app directly on Replit and published it on Replit, allowing it to be compatible with Android and iOS.